Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English lesson. Our topic is conditionals, also known as if clauses. Conditionals are very useful because they help us talk about what happens, what might happen, or what could have happened. Each conditional sentence has two parts. 1. The condition usually starts with if. 2. The result, what happens because of the condition. For example, if it rains, I will take an umbrella. Let's explore 4 types of conditionals. Zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional, and third conditional. The zero conditional is for facts or things that are always true. Structure is if plus present simple, present simple. Both parts of the sentence are in the present tense. Examples. If you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. If I feel tired, I sleep early. You mix red and blue, you get purple. If you don't water plants, they die. If the sun sets, it gets dark. We use this conditional to talk about scientific facts, general truths, or everyday routines. Use this for general truths or things that always happen under certain conditions. Replace if with when, and the meaning will stay the same. When you heat water to 100 degrees Celsius, it boils. The first conditional is used to talk about possible situations in the future. We use if plus present simple, will plus base verb. The if part is in the present tense, and the result uses will. Examples. If it rains tomorrow, I will stay home. If you study hard, you will pass the exam. This conditional describes things that might really happen, and this is used for real and possible situations in the future. You can also use other modal verbs like can, may, or might instead of will. If I finish early, I might go to the park. If she studies hard, she will pass the exam. If we hurry, we will catch the bus. If it's sunny tomorrow, we will have a picnic. The second conditional is for imaginary or hypothetical situations in the present or future. We use the second conditional to dream, imagine, or talk about things that are not real or very unlikely. Structure is if plus past simple, would plus base verb. The if part uses the past tense, but the meaning is not about the past. Examples. If I were rich, I would buy a big house. If he knew the answer, he would tell us. If I had a pet, I would choose a dog. If they knew the truth, they would be surprised. If we lived near the sea, we would swim every day. In formal English, we often use were for all subjects. If I were you, I would call her. The third conditional is used to talk about the past. Things that didn't happen, but we imagine what could have happened. This conditional is about regrets or missed opportunities. So, this is used for situations in the past that didn't happen, but are imagined differently. We use if plus past perfect, would have plus past participle. The if part uses the past perfect tense, and the result uses would have. Examples. If I had studied harder, I would have passed the test. If she had called me, I would have helped her. If I had woken up earlier, I wouldn't have missed the train. If she had studied, she would have gotten a better grade. If we had brought a map, we wouldn't have gotten lost. Use this to reflect on the past. If we had left earlier, we wouldn't have missed the bus. Recap and examples. Let's review with examples. Zero conditional. If you exercise, you feel healthier. First conditional. If it's sunny tomorrow, we will go to the beach. Second conditional. If I had a car, I would drive to work. Third conditional. If he had studied, he would have passed the exam. Now, test your understanding.